My name is Melanie DeMore, and I am a vocal activist. In other words, I use my voice as a weapon of mass connection. I specialize in the art of gullah stick pounding from the Gullah South Sea Islands of the United States. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Why don't you sing with me? This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Just keep going. This little light of mine.
We thought this would be a really cool way to get the Haas community involved in a really special part of American history and Black history for this special month. And we thought that it would be a cool way to learn more about our classmates through music and through meditation, and a really awesome way to recenter ourselves, especially with all of the craziness of business school.
3, 4, and stop. You're getting better.